Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Ramesh Kannaganti, founder and executive director, Center for Human Security Studies. Today, 5th of July, 2020, I'm talking in a very important gesture or point of time in the history. Never in the history of humankind ever we had faced a problem like COVID-19 times. See here exactly I wanted to request all of you. Think about the need to have a strategic, security conscious, security awareness and foreign policy awareness. It's an extremely important thing to do because of two reasons. Number one, the people of India must feel that they are in control of things. For an example, so far in the India's independent history, last 70 plus years, common man has never been made part of overall foreign policy formulation, overall defense policy formulation, overall internal security for policy formulation, overall human security, for that matter national security formulation process. At least this crisis, the current pandemic COVID-19, has given us an opportunity for all of us to restructure, rethink, recalibrate our priorities. As a country, India should have a national security strategy and a written national security goals. I know national security goals can be very dynamic. Some people will argue, how can you make national security goals or objectives written? Because they are very dynamic in nature. How can you write? My answer to that is, the moment we write something, definitely we are open and flexible to make a lot of changes whenever the time requires, whenever it is required. There is no hard and fast rule. But at least if we have a written document in our hand, on our minds, in our hearts, about this country called India, Mera Bharat Mahan, then we'll have a clarity of thought and a clarity of purpose. Just imagine 130 crores of people, if they are going in one direction, if they are going with one goal, a national goal, if they are going with a one direction, unidimensional, one country, one constitution, one flag, just imagine the power of that. The power of 130 people coming together, giving whatever they have, their heart, soul and mind into the national cause. No one can defeat us in this world. Be it China, be it America, be it Russia, any other country on this earth, any country on this earth will never ever dare to look at India. Why I am saying this is, this has a great ramifications. This has a great message in what I am talking to you right now. Thousands of people have given up their lives. They were shot for our country's freedom. India, Bharat. If you and me don't recognize that fact and don't recognize the sacrifices of those unsung heroes, it's not only a couple of heroes that we pray. It's not only Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Lal Bal Pal, or Alluri Sitaramarazu, or my great-grandfather Kannaganti Hanumantu, or many others, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. There are so many unsung heroes in each and every nook and corner of this country. Let's unite. Let's support the government of the day. Today it is BJP, tomorrow it can be Congress, day after tomorrow it can be any other government. Whichever government is in power, if they are doing good, if we feel that they are doing wrong, we have to correct them. After all, democracy is you and me. We cannot simply put the blame on the government or the politicians. People should have that consciousness that where does my country start and where does my country end? Geographically, physically, financially, morally, ethically, more than anything else, you need to have the clarity of mind and thought. What is the destiny of this country? The comity of nations. Jai Hind. Please think, please introspect. Center for Human Security Studies, a think tank. In fact, first think tank in India on this mother earth, that is in Bharat, I am talking. Human security, there is only one think tank, and I am proud and I take privilege, me being born and brought up as an agricultural laborer's son in a small town called Tenali. If I could establish this, you are more powerful than me, you are more fortunate than me, you are more knowledgeable than me. You can do wonders if we all come together. United we stand, divided we fall. This is the time to show the world that we are on one thing. Mera Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind. I'll come back again. Dr. Ramesh Kaniganti, signing off, founder and executive director, Center for Human Security. Please subscribe. Please help this cause, human security. Thank you. Jai Hind.